Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will discuss about print quality isn't what you expected. If your your print looks more like Ecce Mono mono than Ecce Homo, the most likely reason is that the print quality print quality settings were changed by the last person who used the printer who used the printer and you forget and you forgot to check them before starting the print. Print quality isn't what you expected. If your print looks more like Ecce Mono than Ecce Homo, the most likely reason is that the print quality settings were changed by the last person who used the printer and you forgot to check them before starting the print. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.